So what's up, y'all? It's your girl Young Africana back at it again with another video, and this is day 5 of the fall series, and this is category 2, the Spice Girls, and we are coming in with Hot Tamale. So I hope you guys are feeling this look so far, and if you guys want to see how I achieved this entire install and these curls and just everything, then keep on watching. So right now I have my hair sectioned. I took about 3 tracks per section, and I'm just going to go ahead and start curling away from my face. I'm using my Babyliss Pro Titanium Curling Iron in the 1 1/2 inch barrel. And I'm just going to go ahead and just curl away from my face, as you guys can see, and then I'm going to go ahead and just pin them once I am done curling it. I like to hold it in my hand to just retain the heat in my hand before I go ahead and pin them. And then I just let this sit probably until like I'm done and I'm done with my makeup, and then I just, do my install, y'all. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and pin it, and I'm going to be doing this all around the hair. Just remember to curl away from your face. Hold the curl in your hand so it can cool down, and then pin it up. Alright, y'all, now on to the install. This hair was provided by Wiggins Hair. I have the 99J Body Wave wig, and the inches are 24 inches and the density is 24 inches, and the lace did come medium brown as well. I just went ahead and just tinted it with my Amasleo Bay smeared lace tint in the color mocha, and I just did about 2 layers of it. So right now I already have my bald cap in place, as well as my forehead wiped with 91% alcohol, and I went in and used my Erica J Hold Me Down skin guard, and I'll be using my Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive. This is the watermelon kind, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just do 2 thin layers of the glue, and I'm using the metal piece of my rat tail comb just to smear out the glue into a nice even layer. And you want to make sure that each layer is completely dry before you apply the next one. Now that the layer is finally clear, I'm going to go ahead and start positioning my wig in front of the glue and where I want it to be placed at before I start tacking it down. And I like to work in the middle section first and then go on the sides afterwards, just so that the wig is nice and flat. And again, you just want to make sure that the hairline is in front of the glue, not directly on it, just so that you're able to just go back in if you need to, tack down any lace, or just remove the lace instead of trying to clean up glue. Now that I have the lace pressed down, I'm going to go ahead and use my eyebrow razor, and I'm going to cut near the hairline, as close to the hairline as possible in a jagged motion. And I'm just going to do this all around the hairline. And then what I like to do is I like to call this detailing. So I like to go back in with some glue in any of the spots that I have missed for the lace. And I just like to lift it up, just, try to outline where the lace starts at, and then just do 2 layers of that, and then tack down the lace onto the glue once it is nice and dry. And I just do this all around the hairline. Now I'm gonna just go in with the Amasleo Bay lace tint again in the color Mocha and just do one final layer just so that it matches with my skin. And then I like to use spritz right afterwards just to melt the lace in, and then I like to use my elastic band just to top it and put it on for about 15 minutes and then take it off. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and start parting out my baby hairs. I'm only taking out the baby hairs from the side. I'm not gonna do it all around the hair, so the middle will be left alone. And I'm just gonna do this on each side. Now on to cutting the baby hairs. I'm going to cut them about 1 inch long, and I am just going to cut it with my eyebrow razor. And then what I like to do is for my baby hairs, and this is definitely beginner friendly, I like to go in with my small flat iron. This is the T-Vix flat iron. It's a 1/3 of an inch flat iron. It's very small. You use this for pixie cuts, and I just like to curve upwards. And then I like to use a bit of my Bold Hold Liquid Gold from the hair diagram, and I like to just put that on the roots of the baby hairs and then just form them. And you're gonna see what I'm talking about right after I'm done with this clip. So now I'm just gonna go in with my baby hair comb and also the gel as well, a little bit just on the roots, and just kind of form my baby hairs. And I know I'm the same one that's we always be talking about, oh, the crunchy baby hairs, but I only put it on the roots just so it could stay down and then just form everything else into the hairline. And I went ahead and did my makeup off camera. I did record this look, so if you want to see me do my makeup, go ahead and comment down below that you want this tutorial, and I'll definitely edit it and drop it for you guys. But yeah, y'all. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and take out my curls. It looks a little crazy right now, but we're gonna get to fixing, y'all. And you're just gonna use a big comb just to comb out the curls and make them nice and, you know, voluminous. And right now I'm just going in with my hot comb and I'm just pressing out my hairline just so everything looks nice and neat. And right now I'm just using a large comb just to comb out my curls. I definitely wanted my curls to be more on the looser side, but I am going to recurl this, just the bang areas and the front areas. But yeah, just keep on playing with it and combing it out until you get your desired look. These are pretty much the final results, y'all. Just keep on watching until you see the end, and I'm feeling myself. But overall, these are the finished results. I hope you guys are feeling day 5 of the fall series, y'all. The Spice Girls is definitely coming in real spicy, so stay tuned for tomorrow, which is the final day of category 2 of the Spice Girls. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment some tamale or some chili emojis if you're feeling this look, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.